talk to the universal law of attraction. The law of attraction and the power of the universe is consciousness. And when you know how to communicate with this conscious intelligence, then you can actually be in harmony with all the abundance of the universe, the love of the universe, and the success and perfection of it. And when that happens, you can manifest anything that you want because your consciousness has changed. Science now tells us absolute certainty that consciousness is what creates matter. Consciousness is what creates your life. Now, when you are aware of how to speak to the universe, you can manifest anything. So we're going to talk about that today. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, wishing you a fantastic day. Here's how to talk to the universal law of attraction so that you can manifest anything that you want. Let's dive right into this video. So the truth is, you're actually always talking to the universe. You're always talking to it. It's just that most people talk to this God energy like this. Why is this happening again? Man, I'm broke. There's no good guys. They talk to the universe about what's missing in their life. The universe only speaks frequency. What frequency do you think talking about what's missing is broadcasting? Think of yourself just like a radio broadcasting tower, and you're sending out an invisible frequency. Just like you can't see radio waves, but you can hear the manifestation of them. You can't see the radio waves, you can't see 99.4, but you can hear it. You can hear the manifestation, but the energy of it is invisible. Similarly, you're just like that radio frequency. You're broadcasting a frequency based off of your consciousness, your vibration, and your perception. That sends out a signal into the universe, into the ether, into the non-physical dimension of life. And in response to that level of frequency, that level of consciousness, we bring experiences and situations back that match that frequency. In the most basic way to define the law of attraction, it's that like energy attracts like energy. Everything is energy though. These candles are just energy. My shirt is just energy. My body is just energy. In fact, an atom is 95 to 99% empty space. What? So the whole physical universe is 95 to 99% empty space? No thing? Yes, it is no thing because it's beyond the world of form. It's an invisible energy. And you are just like that radio broadcasting tower, sending out an invisible frequency, an invisible energy. And in return, the energy you send out is what comes back to you. But when you talk about what's missing, man, this law of attraction thing's taking longer than I want. Man, I can't find the right clients. I'm working really hard though, I'm working really hard. I'm doing my best to work on my visualization. I'm doing my best to work as many hours as I can. I'm doing my best to try to think positive about love, but I can't seem to find the right person, What do you think about, do you think soulmates are real and love is real? Because I'm starting to think it's not. I understand what you want, but if you talk about it as if it's missing, you're sending the frequency of lack, and the universe matches experiences that confirm your belief in lack, in scarcity, in shortage, in limitation. This is a hologram. The simplest way to think about a hologram and this holographic nature of reality is that it's a mirror. Everything you see outside is just energy, but it's a symbolic representation off of your frequency and your own consciousness. So your bank account, your love life, all of these things are a symbolic representation of the frequency you're broadcasting. Now, society has programmed us subconsciously. You have 65,000 thoughts in a day, according to psychologists. Isn't that crazy? Just watching this video, you probably had a whole bunch, thousands maybe, just from watching this video in a few minutes. Well, 95% of our life is subconscious. So a lot of that frequency that we're broadcasting, a lot of that pattern, not anymore, because now your consciousness has been cleansed, your awareness has been elevated. But for a lot of my life, a lot of most people's lives, they would spend it from a place of talking about what they want as if it's missing in their life. And the subconscious receives that and says, I do not have the money. I do not have the love. I want it, but I do not have it. Wanting it doesn't mean you have it. You have to talk to this universal intelligence from a place of gratitude for already possessing what it is that you want. And then the subconscious goes, he already has the money. She already has the money. They already got the good break. You already are good enough. Because you are. You are good enough as the way you are. You are smart enough just the way you are. And you're meant to have the things that you want, because all you really are is one expression of this universal energy, of this God energy, of this consciousness. And that consciousness, that God energy, that universe wants you to have the things that you desire in life, because it wants you to experience the fullness and abundance that life has to offer. It didn't create you to make you suffer. But when we continue to talk about what's missing, we can only create further experiences. We can only attract further experiences that match that level of thought or that level of consciousness. So what I invite you to do is start spending all of your extra time while you're driving, while you're using the restroom, while you're brushing your teeth, while you're filling up a new cup of water, while you're walking, while you're at the red light. You just say to yourself or out loud, thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, for bringing everything I desire into my life. Thank you, universe, for constantly overflowing my cup. Thank you, God, for bringing financial success into my life. Large sums of money keep coming to me. They're coming quickly, they're coming easily, they're coming surprisingly, they're coming unexpectedly. Thank you, God, for filling my financial cup with total overflow, and I'm allowed to be generous with all of my friends because I have so much money now. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, that I've attracted amazing, fulfilling relationships into my life. You know, I used to think that there wasn't like-minded people out there. Now I have such amazing friends. I have great business relationships that are prosperous financially and fulfilling spiritually. I'm so grateful that I have an amazing love life. I have amazing, fulfilling love life with great people that treat me well, with great people that treat me right. I'm grateful that today I feel my anxiety has finally lifted. In this moment, I feel peace and joy. I feel like your perfection, God, is sustaining my life and balancing me in this moment. I can feel your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See, when you do that, instead of what's missing, you consciously thank God or thank the universe or thank this intelligence or thank life. You consciously thank it for what you want more of, as if you already have it. And that's how the law of attraction responds to your frequency, and your subconscious mind also receives the new program. And if your subconscious mind has 65,000 thoughts in a day and controls 95% of the life, all of a sudden the subconscious says, it's already here. That's when you see it with your physical eyes. The law of attraction doesn't speak English. It speaks frequency. When you drop the idea of self-talk within your own mind and to this God energy and to other people, when you go from what's missing to gratitude for what you have or what you want to manifest as if you already have it, and express that to God, that's when you can say mountains move, and they shall. So thank you for watching this video. Today, as much as possible, begin communicating with the universe just as we spoke about here, and then come back and share your success story for everyone to read, for myself to read and everyone else. And if you've had success with it, share it down below as well. So comment down below, thank you God, thank you universe. That's how you can start all the self-talk. Thank you God, thank you universe, and then fill in the blank. Thank you God, thank you universe. You could fill in the blank with money, with love, with health, with happiness, with balance, with peace, with freedom, with joy, anything you want. So comment down below, thank you God, thank you universe. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right there down below. I created a technology called the second mind. Clearly you could see in this video, I operated as an example from a consciousness of what's missing, a mind that is patterned to what's missing. Then I did it from a mind, a consciousness, a brain that's patterned for manifesting, for being in the consciousness of having what you want. Now I call that one the second mind, and I created a technology that will keep you in this mindset, reprogram your brain and your mind so that you can attract the things that you want easier. It's right there down below and you can demo it for free. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com and it's right there down below and you can demo that for free today and see what amazing things manifest. So as Wayne Dyer says, be realistic, expect miracles. So subscribe, bell notification. Thank you for watching. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So you actually, if you subscribe, you don't get notified. So you gotta subscribe and hit the bell notification. So thank you for watching this video. Remember, thank you God, thank you universe. The law of attraction speaks frequency. It speaks consciousness. And where your attention flows is where the energy that manifests all the things in your life go. Have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you next time.